One more. Thank you.
Thank you, Baba.
Very good.
Shukran.
Shukran. Thank you. Huh? I bought two. I bought two of this. Your mum?
Oh, put the mama sawa.
Sawa.
Tayo pati.
Okay, we've just left the Hilton. And now we're gonna go and walk to Masjid Al-Haram. As you can see, it's very close. Extremely close. I reckon it'll be about a couple of minutes, 2-3 minutes. To go from inside the hotel to inside the mosque. But I'm not wearing my ihram today, so we cannot go inside the Mataf area. Assalamu alaikum. You okay? Close. Nearly. Thank you very much. Very nice. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, that lady wanted to sell me some bird feed, so I think we'll come back. We'll come back and purchase some from her. Okay, so now we're gonna walk to Masjid Al-Haram. What we'll do is we will go to the second floor and we'll time it in a couple of minutes. Okay, it's after Fajr and it's gonna get extremely hot. You can see the fans are starting already in anticipation of the extreme heat that we will expect once the sun is out fully. So okay, so we'll go to gate number 74. It's been 3 minutes, I'd say, and we're going to do 3 minutes back and get some feed from that lady. She's very good, actually. That's what we'll do. Okay, so this is gate number 75, 76 and 77, and we will go through gate number 74 and see where that takes us. Once again, these barriers are all over the place. What do you think, guys? Tell me what you think. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, I just got blanked. Gate number 74. Right, 4 minutes. In 4 minutes. And we'll make our way around. Right, we'll go to the second floor. So here we go. See, I'm going to walk up the stairs. Don't really want to exit. The other side, uncle. There we go. It's very cold inside. 5. Level 2. Huh? What? Camera. You. Oh. Huh?
فين صورة فوتو